This is wellness week. I'm burnt out. I need new routines. I've ruined myself. I've run myself into the ground. This happens every 2 to 3 weeks. I am going to my first sound bath. I'm so excited.
You're loving on me. My young niggas acting just stay. They know we not living on stay. Oh, you ain't dean.
For the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew out to Spain to be in my domain, all my bitch. Dropped $3 on the rain, cause it in the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Granny, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick. I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Who gave you deals, who gave that guns, Pluto sent you on the lick. Too many convicts, they rolled me to play in this shit.
Fantastic. Guys, I don't think you understand. That was so cool. I love frequencies. It was so relaxing, but I definitely didn't fall asleep. I know that for sure. I mean, we weren't supposed to, but I think a few people did because they were snoring, which is so funny because they have a no snoring policy. Highly recommend it if you're in Houston. It's called Unwind Studios. I feel really good. I feel calm. I feel clear. I feel in tune with myself. What I didn't know though, that sound bath is it's more so, it's for like regulating your body and your emotions because I don't know, okay, well, basically physics class circa 2010. My physics teacher talks about frequencies and how like literally every single thing in the world has its own frequency. Like, and she was describing it like tuning a piano, how you have a tuning fork and you tune it. So yeah, and I totally believe in frequency just because it's physics. Like, it felt so cool and it was just a really nice experience. Wellness week. Yeah, I want things to be very, very clear here. I don't want there to be any confusion ever about what I do at night. Let me just show you. Let me bring you into the inner sanctum of what goes on here. We have our preliminary snack. Almost always popcorn. Every single day. Sometimes 2, sometimes 3 bags a day. It's the only constant in my life. Then, some sort of salty snack. Whether it is a cured meat, chip, I could do an olive, I could do a tapenade, or I could do more popcorn. Those are really my options. And then, I'm not really that into sweet stuff, especially lately, but eventually, some sort of like a shortbread to sweet-ish item. Animal crackers. These are just the basics. If you couldn't see, this is Ruffles. And then, usually, most nights, I just chug water because there's a lot of salt going on here. But recently, I've been loving those little recesses, so I put a packet in here. I don't really care for the taste. I'd rather it just taste like water, to be honest. And I recently got into keeping up with the Kardashians again. I don't think I've ever really seen the earlier seasons. I caught on like way later, so yeah. And then on my phone, it died. My charger was right here. My phone was right here. And I watched it go to 0%, die, and now I'm waiting for it to charge again. And this happens almost every day. So we're here. The place is stunning. It's just stunning. Let's start there. This is the coolest thing, guys. Get into it, get into it, get into it. I haven't even done it yet, and I already know this is such a vibe, and this is a wave, and this is the shit we need to be on. Okay, like as a collective, women, we need this. So let me show you my room. So you walk in, and this is my private sauna. Little glass box. I'll get in and we'll figure out how to do all the Bluetooth and stuff, but it's nice and spacious. It's definitely bigger than like my closet, which is great. You have a little mini fridge with cold towels in here. Where is it? So it has cold towels in here. They smell like eucalyptus. I believe this is a little like stand for your back. They give you tons of help if you get confused, like instructions, and even where to like place your towel for comfort. This is so fun, guys. Look. So it does have like red light therapy. So if you're into skincare, you already know I'm a huge fan of like red light therapy. So now it's red. And now it's green. So red is like anti-aging. I know blue is good for acne. I'm not too sure about green. I can't remember off the top of my head. But I love that you get the option, and you can also change the brightness of everything. I also bought a water because I forgot water, but obviously you should bring your own, and they have refillable stations. There is a TV. I plan on just listening to my podcast. So, but you have a TV, a remote, and then a basket for all of your used towels. I'm just wearing this swimsuit from 437. It's, you know, quite comfortable. I'm gonna take my socks off. I probably should have brought flip-flops. I didn't think about that.
For the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew out to Spain to be in my domain, all my bitch. Dropped $3 on the rain, cause in the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Granted, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick. I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Who gave you pills, who gave that dust, Pluto sent you on the lick. Too many convicts, they rolled me to play in this shit.
Right, guys, so I'm literally on my last minute. I'm about to get ready to go to the cold plunge. I did grab a eucalyptus towel, and it feels so good. Mine is only on 130, up to maybe like 140. I think some people put up to like 145, 150, but it feels so good. I'm just wiping some of the sweat away, but I feel very good. Usually I don't last this long, I guess, in like traditional saunas, but being able to adjust the temperature, I think that really, really helps. I feel so relaxed. I feel so good. Like, I feel so good.
Line it up, backwood for the sticky. I'm trying to talk that Drake on London, and it's extended. They gotta stretch a nigga, how we gon' die for this shit? Yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. We some poor, high class niggas, maybe we rich. Yeah, I was at the band though, got a penthouse for a closet. It's like a shando, live on my neck, my bitch. I got king told that talk different languages. Got production in my blood. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew out to Spain to be in my domain, all my bitch.
Okay, guys, no, I completely bitched out. I put one foot in. Like, y'all, it's freezing. Like, it's not for me. I'm so sorry. I can't do it. No, thank you. I'm gonna go take a shower. Alright, I'm in my car. But guys, the fact that my hair is like decently held up, because it's obviously it's a dry heat, but you do sweat. But my head wasn't like that sweaty, which is crazy because I usually sweat from my head a lot. But wow, we are sauna bitches now. Like, we are sauna girls. We go to the sauna. We go for health. That was great. That was so fun. I had the best time. I'm trying to block this light with my big head. But yeah, I need to hydrate. This is all the water I've drank. It's like, that's not even open. It is. So cool. So relaxing. Such a new, fun way to like enjoy yourself. Like, I truly just enjoyed myself. I was like, wow, I love this. I love this so much. I feel bad and bougie. I feel like I got a nice sweat in. I feel very like, you know, the cold plunge was not for me. I'm not gonna hold you. And I even told myself as I was doing it, I was like, you're not gonna be a little bitch. Oh no. And then by the time I got knee deep, I was like, oh, like, I am a little bitch. So I'm gonna move how little bitches move and not do this at all. I'm gonna just remove myself from the situation like the little bitch I am. And I did. And I really feel good about that. Because it was that cold. Like, it was like, I don't even know. I think they put on the website how cold it is. It's like, take ice water and make that like negative ice water. Shit's crazy. Okay, I'm back home and I'm going to get this video up, so I will see you in the next one. If you guys enjoyed, if you like it, don't forget to leave me a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram and my TikTok, yvannagilliam. And I will see you in my next video. I hope this one found you in the best place possible. Bye!